Hello, welcome back to your English online classroom. It's math time. Today, we are going to discuss a new lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin. But before we start our lesson, I want you to look at this picture. Can you estimate the mass of the bottle of medicine? Is it heavier or lighter? Wow, you are correct. The bottle of medicine is lighter than the container of sweets because the container of sweets is more heavier. Very good. Now, let's take a look at some pictures. Can you estimate the mass of the pack of washing powder if the mass of the bottle of cooking oil is 2 kilogram and 5 kg? Look at the picture. Wonderful! The pack of washing powder is as heavy as the bottle of cooking oil. So, the mass of the pack of washing powder is about 2 kilogram and 5 kg. Now, how do you confirm the mass of the washing powder? We can weigh it to confirm your estimate. The actual mass of the pack of washing powder is 2 kilogram and 5 kg. Look at the picture. Last picture. Which is heavier? The bag of pasta or the bag of sweet corn? Try to look at the picture. The bag of pasta is 3 kilogram and 300 grams, while the bag of sweet corn is 6 kilogram and 800 gram. You are correct. So the bag of sweet corn is 3,500 gram heavier than the bag of pasta. We will talk about that one later on. The reason why I ask you those questions is because today we are going to talk about mass. Now, let's talk about on how to choose appropriate weighing scales. What is weighing scales? Weighing scales are devices used to measure the mass of an object. There are a few types of scales. We need to use suitable scales to measure masses. Number 1, we use a bathroom scale to measure our body mass or your weight. Just like this. Number 2, we use a spring balance or electronic balance to measure the masses of the things we buy. For example, if you are going to buy fruits or vegetables, We can use spring balance or electronic balance to know the weight of the object. Number 3, we used a platform scale to measure the mass of huge quantities of rice and flour, for example, in factories. Just like this. So it means this platform scale is for heavier. For your activity, please prepare your notebook and your pencil. On your notebook, I want you to draw at least 2 objects that you can measure the weight in each weighing scales. If you are finished with your work, please take a photo of it. Please write your name and the date today and send it in our line group. Once again, this is Teacher Raf of Anuban Wat Praputabat School, and see you again next time in my class. Goodbye!